अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम है हाफिज़ मोहम्मद उस्मान। आज मेरी प्रेजेंटेशन का टॉपिक है HRM ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट के चैप्टर नंबर 4, वर्क फ्लो इन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में वर्क फ्लो क्या है? वर्क फ्लो डिज़ाइन, द प्रोसेस ऑफ एनालाइजिंग टास्क नेसेसरी फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस। पोजीशन, द सेट ऑफ ड्यूटीज जॉब परफॉर्म बाय द पार्टिकुलर पर्सन। जॉब, अ सेट ऑफ रिलेटेड ड्यूटीज। Workflow design and organization structure. Within an organization, units and individuals must cooperate to create outputs. The organization structure brings together the people who must collaborate to efficiently produce the desired output. Centralized, decentralized, functional products or customer. Firefighter works as a team. They and their requirements are the inputs and the output is the extinguished fire and the rescue of people and pets. In any organization or team, workers need to be cross-trained in several skills to create an effective team. Job analysis, the process of getting detailed information about jobs. Jobs analysis में job description and job specification. Job descriptions. Job description a list of tasks, duties and responsibilities (TDRs) that a particular job entails. Key components: job title, brief description of TDRs, list of essential duties with detailed specification of the task involving in carrying out each duty. Job specifications. Job specifications are list of knowledge, skills, abilities and other characteristics KSAO that an individual must have to perform a particular job. Knowledge, factual or procedural information necessary for successfully performing a task. Skill, an individual's level of proficiency at performing a particular task. Ability, a more general enduring capability that an individual possesses. Other characteristics, job related licensing, certification or personality traits. Sources of job information: the incumbents, people who currently hold the position in the organization. Dictionary of Occupational Titles (DOT), published by the US Department of Labor. Occupational Information Network (ONET), an online job description database developed by the Labor Department. Position Analysis Questionnaire (PAQ). What is it? A standardized job analysis questionnaire containing 194 questions about work behaviors, work conditions and job characteristics that apply to a wider variety of jobs. Key sections: information input, mental processes, work output, relationship with other persons, job context, other characteristics. Fleischmann Job Analysis System. What is it? Job analysis technique that asks subject matter expert to evaluate a job in the term of ability required to perform the job. Categories of abilities: written comprehension. Importance of job analysis. Job analysis is so important to HR manager that it has been called a building block of all HRM functions. Almost every HRM program requires some type of information determined by job analysis. Work redesign, human resource planning, selection, training, performance appraisal, career planning, job evaluation. Trends in job analysis. Organizations are being viewed as a field of work needing to be done rather than as a set series of jobs held by individuals. De-jobbing. Designing work by project rather than jobs. Job design. Job design, the process of defining how work will be performed and what tasks will be required in a given job. Job redesign, a similar process that involves changing an existing job design. To design job effectively, a person must thoroughly understand the job itself through job analysis and its place in the unit's workflow. Workflow analysis. Designing efficient jobs. Industrial engineering, the study of jobs to find the simplest way to structure work in order to maximize efficiency, reduces the complexity of work, allows almost anyone to be trained quickly and easily perform the job, used for highly specialized and repetitive jobs. Designing jobs that motivate, the job characteristic model. Skill variety, the extent to which a job requires a variety of skills to carry out the tasks involved. Task identity, the degree to which a job requires completing a whole piece of work from beginning to end. Task significance, the extent to which the job has an important impact on the lives of other people. Autonomy, the degree to which the job allows an individual to make decisions about the way work will be carried out. Feedback, the extent to which a person receives clear information about performance effectiveness from the work itself. Designing job that motivate, job enlargement. Job enlargement, broadening the types of tasks performed in a job. Job extension, enlarging jobs by combining several relatively simple jobs to perform a job with a wider range of tasks. Job rotation, enlarging jobs by moving employees among several different jobs. Designing job that motivate, job enrichment, empowering workers by adding more decision-making authority to jobs. Based on Herzberg theory of motivation, individuals are motivated more by the intrinsic aspects of work. Self-managing work teams have authority for an entire work process or segment, schedule work, hire team members, resolve team performance problems, perform other duties traditionally handled by management. Teams members motivated by autonomy, skill, variety, and task identity. Designing job that motivate, flexible work schedule, flex time, a scheduling policy in which full-time employees may choose starting and ending time within guidelines specified by the organization. A work schedule that allows time for community and family interests can be extremely motivated. Job sharing, a work option in which two part-time employees carry out the tasks associated with a single job, enables an organization to attract or retain valued employees who want more time to attend school or take care of family matters. Designing job that motivate, telework. Telework, the broad term of doing one's work away from a certainly located office. Advantages to employees included less need for office space, greater flexibility to employees with special needs, easiest to implement for managerial, professional or sales job, difficult to set up for manufacturing workers. Ergonomics, the study of the interface between individual physiology and the characteristics of physical work environment. The goal is to minimize physical strain on the worker by structuring the physical work environment around the way the human body works. Redesigning work to make it more work-friendly can lead to increased efficiency. Although employers in all industries are supposed to protect workers under the OSHA General Duty Clause, nursing homes, grocery stores, and poultry processing plants are the only three industries for which OSHA has published ergonomic standards. Designing jobs that meet mental capabilities and limitations. Work is designed to reduce the information processing requirements of the job. Workers may be less likely to make mistakes or have accidents. Simpler jobs may be less motivating. Technology tools may be distracting employees from their primary tasks, resulting in increased mistakes and accidents. Ways to simplify the job's mental demands. Limits the amount of information and memorization that the job requires. Organization can provide adequate lighting, easy to read gauges and displays, simple to operate equipment, clear instruction. Workflow analysis identifies the amount and the quality of the work unit's output, the work processes required to produce these outputs, the inputs used to carry out the processes and produce the outputs. Within an organization, units and individuals must cooperate to create outputs, and the organization structure brings people together for this purpose. Job analysis is the process of getting detailed information about jobs. Job analysis includes the preparation of job descriptions, job specifications. Information for analyzing an existing job often comes from incumbents and their supervisors. The U.S. Department of Labor provides information. Dictionary of Occupational Titles, Occupational Information Network, ONET. The nature of work and job design is changing, viewing organization in terms of field of work needing to be done instead of specific job description. Organizations are adopting project-based structure and teamwork, which is also require flexibility and the ability to handle broad responsibility. The basic technique for designing efficient jobs is industrial engineering. According to job characteristic model, jobs are more motivating if they have greater skill variety, task identity, task significance, autonomy, and feedback. Ways to create such jobs include job enlargement, job rotation, job enrichment, self-managing work teams offer greater skill variety and task identity. Flexible work schedules and telework offer greater autonomy. The goal of ergonomics is to minimize physical strain on the worker by structuring the physical work environment around the way the human body works. Employers may seek to reduce the mental as well as physical strain. The job design may limit the amount of information and memorization involved. The goal is to reduce errors and accidents. Technology tools may actually cause more distraction, errors, and accidents. वर्क फ्लो डिज़ाइन क्या होता है? प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस के प्रोडक्शन के लिए ज़रूरी होता है एनालाइज करने के लिए। पोजीशन क्या है? सेट ऑफ ड्यूटी परफॉर्म बाय पार्टिकुलर पर्सन, ऐसी ड्यूटीज़ का मजमूआ जिसे पार्टिकुलर पर्सन परफॉर्म करता है। जॉब, सेट ऑफ रिलेटेड ड्यूटीज़, रिलेटेड ड्यूटीज़ की जॉब, रिलेटेड ड्यूटीज़ का सेट जो है वो जॉब कहलाता है। विद इन एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यूनिट्स एंड इंडिविजुअल मस्ट कोऑपरेट टू क्रिएट आउटपुट्स। एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर यूनिट्स और इंडिविजुअल कोऑपरेट करते हैं आउटपुट बनाने के लिए। द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर ब्रिंग टुगेदर द पीपल हु मस्ट कोलैबोरेट एफिशिएंट प्रोड्यूस डिजायर्ड आउटपुट। ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर जो है वो लोगों को साथ मिलाता है ताकि अच्छे नताइज हासिल किए जा सकें। जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन क्या है? जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन है लिस्ट ऑफ टास्क, ड्यूटीज एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एट अ पार्टिकुलर जॉब इंटेल्स। ऐसी लिस्ट है जिसमें टास्क, ड्यूटीज़ और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के बारे में जिक्र किया जाता है। की कंपोनेंट्स जॉब टाइटल, ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ टीडीआर, लिस्ट ऑफ एसेंशियल ड्यूटी विद डिटेल, स्पेसिफिकेशन ऑफ द टास्क इन्वॉल्विंग कैरिंग आउट दी ड्यूटी। की कंपोनेंट्स उसमें क्या है? जॉब टाइटल है, ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ टीडीआर है, लिस्ट ऑफ एसेंशियल ड्यूटीज़ है जिसमें डिटेल स्पेसिफिकेशन ऑफ टास्क इन्वॉल्व होते हैं कैरिंग आउट ईच ड्यूटी को कैरी आउट करने के लिए। जॉब स्पेसिफिकेशन क्या है? अ लिस्ट ऑफ नॉलेज, स्किल्स, एबिलिटीज एंड अदर क्राइटेरिया दैट एन इंडिविजुअल मस्ट हैव टू परफॉर्म पार्टिकुलर जॉब। जॉब स्पेसिफिकेशन ऐसा इल्म है, स्किल्स और एबिलिटीज़ हैं जो जिनका मालूम होना एक पार्टिकुलर जॉब को करने के लिए लाजमी है। उसमें 4 चीज़ें हैं: नॉलेज, फैक्चुअल और प्रोसीजर इंफॉर्मेशन नेसेसरी फॉर सक्सेसफुली परफॉर्मिंग अ टास्क। स्किल, an individual level of proficiency at performing a particular task. Ability, a more general enduring capability that an individual possesses. Other characteristics, job related licensing, certification or personality traits. एक टास्क को करने के लिए सक्सेसफुली परफॉर्मिंग अ टास्क करने के लिए जो मालूमात लाजमी होती है, इंडिविजुअल लेवल ऑफ प्रोफेशन, एक पार्टिकुलर टास्क को करने के लिए एक जो स्किल लाजमी होती हैं, एबिलिटी, जनरल एंड्योरिंग कैपेबिलिटी, एबिलिटीज़ जो एक आदमी रखता है, अदर क्राइटेरिया, जॉब रिलेटिंग लाइसेंस, सर्टिफिकेशन, पर्सनैलिटी ट्रेट्स। द इनकम्बेंट्स वो लोग होते हैं जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कोई पोजीशन पहले से रखते हैं। डिक्शनरी ऑफ ऑक्यूपेशनल टाइटल, DOT, ऐसा डिक्शनरी है जो US डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ लेबर ने पेश की है। ऑक्यूपेशनल इंफॉर्मेशन नेटवर्क, एंड ऑनलाइन जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन डेटाबेस डेवलप बाय द लेबर डिपार्टमेंट। लेबर डिपार्टमेंट ने एक ऑनलाइन जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन डेटाबेस डेवलप किया जिसे ONET कहते हैं। पोजीशन एनालिसिस क्वेश्चनर, PAC, a standardized job analysis questionnaire containing 194 questions about work behavior, work condition and job characteristics that apply to a wide variety of jobs। एक ऐसा स्टैंडर्डाइज जॉब एनालिसिस क्वेश्चनर सवालनामा इजाद किया जिसमें 194 सवाल आते हैं जो वर्क बिहेवियर, वर्क कंडीशन और जॉब करैक्टरिस्टिक्स के बारे में बात करते हैं। जिसमें की सेक्शन है उसके इंफॉर्मेशन इनपुट, मेंटल प्रोसेसेस, वर्क आउटपुट, रिलेशनशिप विद अदर पर्सन, जॉब कॉन्टेक्स्ट, अदर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स। व्हाट इज इट? Job analysis technique that asks subject matter expert to evaluate a job in terms of ability required to perform the job. जॉब एनालिसिस ऐसी टेक्निक है जिसमें एक्सपर्ट्स से पूछा जाता है कि एक जॉब को करने के लिए कौन सी एबिलिटीज़ चाहिए होती हैं. कैटेगरीज ऑफ एबिलिटीज. रिटन कम्प्रीहेंशन. Importance of job analysis. Job analysis is so important to HR manager that it has been called the building block of all HRM function. जॉब एनालिसिस जो है वो तमाम HRM फंक्शन के बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक है. ऑलमोस्ट एवरी HRM प्रोग्राम रिक्वायर सम टाइप्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन रिक्वायर जॉब एनालिसिस. हर HRM प्रोग्राम जॉब एनालिसिस से मालूमात हासिल करता है. वर्क रीडिज़ाइन, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स प्लानिंग, सिलेक्शन, ट्रेनिंग, परफॉर्मेंस अप्रेजल, कैरियर प्लानिंग, जॉब इवैल्यूएशन. Trends in job analysis. Organizations are being viewed as a field of work needing to be done rather than a set of series of jobs held by individual. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो है वो फील्ड ऑफ वर्क को देखते हैं कि वो मुकम्मल हो गया है, या ना कि ये देखते हैं कि इंडिविजुअल्स ने इन्हें मुकम्मल कर लिया कि नहीं. डी जॉबिंग. डिज़ाइनिंग वर्क बाय प्रोजेक्ट रहते हैं जॉब्स. डिज़ाइनिंग वर्क बाय प्रोजेक्ट्स. डी जॉबिंग मतलब जॉब्स को ख़त्म कर रहे हैं और प्रोजेक्ट के मुताबिक काम करने को डी जॉबिंग कहते हैं. जॉब डिज़ाइन. द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिफाइनिंग हाउ वर्क विल बी परफॉर्म्ड एंड व्हाट. जॉब डिज़ाइन. द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिफाइनिंग हाउ वर्क